Hello. Welcome to Easy English Podcast. I am Regina. I am your teacher. I am happy to be here with you. Today, we will learn simple, useful English. We will go slowly. We will repeat words. It will be fun. And I am here with my friend Mark. Hello, Mark.
Hello, Regina. I am happy to be here. I am learning English. It is exciting and a little scary.
Do not be scared, Mark. We will learn together. Today, we will learn greetings. Greetings are words like hello and goodbye. We will learn numbers. We will learn the days of the week. We will talk about food, drinks, and things we do every day. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start.
Perfect. Let's start with greetings. The most important word is hello. Say it with me, listeners. Hello. Good. We say hello to friends, to family, to new people. We also say hi. Hi is friendly. It is casual. Mark, say hi to our listeners.
Hi, everyone.
Excellent. Now, how do you ask for someone's name? You say, "What is your name?" Listen, what is your name? Now, you try, Mark. Ask me my name.
What is your name?
My name is Regina. And what is your name?
My name is Mark.
Good. Now, listeners, imagine I am asking you, what is your name? Can you say your name? Try. Say, my name is, and your name. Good job. To be polite, we say, nice to meet you. Mark, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Regina.
Now for goodbye. We can say goodbye. We can say bye. We can also say see you later. Let's practice. Mark, I will say see you later. Okay, see you later. Regina.
Very good. Let's practice greetings one more time. I say, hello. You say, hi. I say, what is your name? You say, my name is. I say, nice to meet you. You say, nice to meet you too. I say, see you later. You say, bye. Great job, everyone.
That was good. I like see you later.
Me too. Now, let's learn numbers. Numbers are very, very important. We will count from 1 to 10. Repeat after me, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Now a little practice for you, listeners. I will say a number. You say the next number. Ready? I say 1. You say 2. I say 4. You say 5. I say 7. You say 8. I say 9. You say 10. Very good.
This is fun.
I know my numbers.
You do. Now, let's talk about the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. The other days are weekdays. Mark, what day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
Correct. And what day comes after Thursday?
Friday.
Yes. And after Friday?
Saturday.
Perfect. Listeners, let's practice. What day is it today? Can you say it? Good. Now, what day comes after Sunday? Monday. Yes.
I like Saturday and Sunday.
Me too. Okay, now we know greetings, numbers, and days. Let's learn some simple words for objects, things we see every day. For example, in a room, you see a table, and a chair. You sit on a chair at a table. Other objects, a book, you read a book. A pen, you write with a pen. A phone, you talk on the phone. A bag, you carry things in a bag. A window, you look out the window. A door, you go through a door. Mark, what is this?
That is a pen.
Yes, and what do you do with the pen?
You write with a pen.
Excellent. Listeners, look around you. What do you see? Do you see a table, a chair, a window? Say the words. I see a table. I see a chair. Good for you.
I see a book. I see my phone. I see a bag.
Wonderful. Now, let's talk about food and drinks. I am hungry. Are you hungry, Mark?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Let's learn food words. Important food, bread, rice, apple, banana, egg, chicken, vegetables, water. Water is a drink. Very important. Other drinks, milk, coffee, tea, juice. Mark, what food do you like?
I like bread. I like apples. I like chicken.
And what do you like to drink?
I like water. And I like coffee in the morning.
I like coffee too. Okay, listeners, it is your turn. What food do you like? Say, I like, and the food. And what do you like to drink? Say, I like, and the drink. Very good. Let's practice ordering food. Imagine you are in a cafe. The server says, "Hello, what do you want?" You can say, "Hello, I want coffee, please." Or, "I want tea and bread, please." Always say please. It is polite. Mark, what do you want at a cafe?
Hello, I want coffee and an apple, please.
Perfect. You are very polite. Welcome back. Now, let's talk about daily activities. What do you do every day? In the morning, you wake up. You get up from your bed. You eat breakfast. You drink coffee or tea. You go to work or go to school. Mark, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up. I drink coffee. I eat bread. I go to work.
Very clear. In the day, you work or study. You eat lunch. In the evening, you go home, you eat dinner, you watch TV, you read a book. At night, you go to bed. Mark, what do you do in the evening?
I go home, I eat dinner, I watch TV, I read a book. Then, I go to bed.
Good routine. Listeners, let's talk about your day. What do you do in the morning? Try to say one thing. What do you do in the evening? Say one thing. Excellent. You are speaking English.
Regina, how do I say I am with my friends?
Good question. You can say, I meet my friends, or I talk to my friends. Other useful verbs, I listen to music, I play a game, I cook dinner, I clean the house.
Okay. On Saturday, I meet my friends. We talk, we listen to music.
That sounds like a fun Saturday. Now, let's put words together. Let's make simple sentences. We use I for yourself. I am Mark. I like coffee. I go to work. We use you for the person listening. You are learning English. You are doing very well. Let's practice with the verb to be. It is very important. Repeat after me, everyone.
I am.
You are. He is. She is. For example, I am Regina. You are Mark. He is my brother. She is my friend.
I am learning English.
Perfect. Another sentence?
I am happy.
Wonderful. Listeners, you try. Say, I am and your name. Now say, I am learning English. Fantastic. Now let's talk about he and she. He for a man or a boy, she for a woman or a girl. My friend Tom, he is nice. My friend Sarah, she is smart. Mark, talk about a friend. Use he or she.
My friend David. He is funny. My sister, Anna. She is kind.
Excellent use of he and she. You are a good student, Mark.
Thank you, Regina.
Let's have one more practice. I will ask questions, you answer, Mark, and listeners, you answer too in your mind. What is your name?
My name is Mark.
What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee in the morning.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV in the evening.
Perfect answers. Listeners, how did you do? Very good, I am sure.
Okay, we learned a lot today. Let's do a short review. A review means we look back at what we learned. First, greetings. We say, hello, hi. What is your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. Second, numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third, days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Fourth, objects.
table, chair, book, pen, phone, bag, window, door. Fifth, food and drinks. Bread, rice, apple, banana, egg, chicken, vegetables. Water, milk, coffee, tea, juice. And sixth, daily activities. Wake up, get up, eat breakfast, drink coffee, go to work, go to school, work, study, eat lunch, go home, eat dinner, watch TV, read a book, go to bed. We also learned I am, you are, he is, she is. You did a fantastic job. You worked very hard.
Mark, thank you, Regina. This was very helpful. I feel more confident now.
I am so glad, Mark. And to all of you listening, thank you. You are great students. Remember, practice a little every day. Say the words. Talk to yourself in English. It is the best way to learn.
Yes, practice is important. See you later, everyone.
Yes, see you later. Goodbye.
Both. Goodbye.